Hi everyone, this is Carol. Welcome back to official channel VideoProc Vlogger. New series of VideoProc guide tutorials is now available in this channel, where you can find a complete set of videos showing you how to use VideoProc Vlogger to create stunning videos from scratch. But before we dive into the journey, make sure you check out the link in the description box down below to download the software for free. Alright, now let's get the video started. Today we will walk you through how to export your project. As you finish an edited video and are ready to export, you have 3 ways to activate the export panel here. Well, the easiest way to do that is hit the export button on the workspace, or use shortcut Ctrl and Alt and R. Or alternatively, you could also come over to your project menu, where you will find 3 options and select one based on your requires. If you go with export video, the video will be saved as MP4 or MKV file. Choose export audio, it will export as MP3, M4A or FLAC file. And if you click the top one, that will bring you to the export panel as well. Here you could see a bunch of output formats to choose from. First, MP4. MP4 plays on almost all the popular portable devices and social media. MKV. MKV would be the best option for the project with multiple tracks and subtitles. MP3. MP3 is for the portable pleasure. M4A. M4A for Apple products. FLAC. FLAC works for loose file formats. Well, more formats are coming soon, so stay tuned for that. Above here, you can rewrite the output file name. Also, hit the 3-dot icon to assign the output folder for you to locate and share your work. And down below here, you will notice some info about the video resolution, duration, and more. If you want to make some changes on resolution, go to the related panel. For detailed steps, go check out the video about how to change resolution, which I will link at the top right on the screen. Done with this side. Now, let's move to your right hand to adjust the video properties and all the kind of stuff. Among them, 2 elements are critical to improve video quality and file size. One is quality, another is bitrate. To adjust the quality, you could use the 4 preset buttons directly, or drop down the menu here and select a number. As you go from low to media, or choose a high-quality engine, the corresponding bitrate would increase. This will surely lift your video quality, but cause a bigger size as well. And if you want to continue to upgrade the video quality, you could manually input higher bitrate value. Well, about the video codec, both HEVC and H.264 are the advanced and popular video compression standards in this digital world. H.264 is compatible with all social media platforms and video players, while for HEVC, it has better compression efficiency. FPS means frame per second. Drop it down, and you will see a few options to work with. Choose one that you prefer to use. 15 FPS is widely used for time-lapse videos, 24 FPS for regular videos, 30 FPS for TV live broadcasts, 16 FPS for walking and slow motion shots, and 120 FPS for sports events and later videography. Finishing up with the video, let's come to the audio settings. By default, the output video file comes with the audio track. If you want to remove the audio tracks, just tick up the option box of Don't Export Audio Track. To save your time, VideoProc Vlogger displays only 2 audio codes that best match your selected output format. AAC is for a smaller audio file size or an Apple device use. And choose MP3 if you wish to enjoy a good sound quality with unrestricted devices. In the sample rate area, the system has already set premier values for you to use. No further adjustment are needed, but you are now to select a value in the drop-down menu as well. At the bottom here, you could change audio channel. I recommend you to go with stereo since it produces more detailed and realistic sounds in most audio systems. The last setting is bitrate. Similarly, the higher the value is, the clearer the sound will be. But the size will increase as well. So, in case you want to know, 128 kbps would be a proper choice if you need a small size with a good sound quality. Alright, once all the parameters are set, you could export your video. And for the record, VideoProc Vlogger will automatically turn on enable hardware acceleration for encoding, which helps deliver a fast export speed. Alright, hit start. Now, you've reached the end of today's video about how to export video in VideoProc Vlogger. I think you've got it. Don't forget to click the subscribe button to subscribe if you haven't yet. We will see you soon in our next guide tutorial. Hope you enjoy. Bye bye!